Good day, everybody. Paul talking here. Welcome to candlecharts.com. The purpose of this session right now is to walk you through our brand new website. We rolled it out the end of last year in December. Very excited about candlecharts.com and everything it has. I'll be going through that. In addition to showing the different parts of the website, I'm also going to show you our current weekend promo that we're doing today, tomorrow, and all of Monday. So I'll be showing you the details of that. This is also open for any questions that you may have about the site. I do ask that if it's a question about your specific account, please just send me an email, paul@candlecharts.com. I'd really rather not discuss your account in front of everybody in the room right now. We can certainly drill into your account outside. I'll show you how to get a little help if you need it, and away we go. So we're here at the homepage of candlecharts.com. I'm going to put my spotlight on so you can see what I'm talking about. We're at the homepage. I am already logged in. I can tell you I know I'm logged in because of two different things. Okay, one, right here in the big letters up top towards the upper left corner, it will say "Welcome, Paul." That means I'm logged in. I'm logged into my account. Also up here in the top right corner, it'll say "Howdy, Paul." That just means that I'm actually logged into the system as well. So both of these basically means I am logged in. Also, right here on the top toolbar, it'll say "Log Out." Well, I can't log out if I'm not already logged in. If I am not logged in, this word "out" would be replaced by the word "in," and you just click on that, click Log In, enter your email address and your password, and then you'll be logged in. Then it will say "Welcome," your name, along with "Howdy," your name up here at the top right. For those of you who are used to our old websites, the way it used to work, we had three websites in the past. We had candlecharts.com, we had candlechartsacademy.com, and we had mycandlecharts.com. What we did, we were working on this major project last year, was we took those three sites and we merged them all into this one new site at candlecharts.com. Okay, what we did was we took your login information that you had at candlechartsacademy.com if you already had an account there, and we just migrated that over. If you have any difficulty with passwords, or you forgot what it was, or whatever it happens to be, you can click Login, enter the email address that you know you have on file with us, and just click Forget Password, and that will help you create a new password. If that doesn't help, or if you need additional help with logging in, you can always email us at info@candlecharts.com, or down here in the bottom right corner of every page on the website, you can create a chat with one of our chat agents. Now, let me explain a little bit about our chat agents. They're not just sitting in a call center. These are people who are active traders, okay? They are former Candlechart students who have gone through the process of getting candle education. They all use Nissan candle scanning software. They all watch every session that we do inside of Market Central. For those of you that are not familiar, our site at mycandlecharts.com, formerly mycandlecharts.com, what we did was we changed the name to Market Central, and Market Central is now one of our programming services located right here inside of our candlecharts.com site. So you can always do a chat. These are real people. They're not robots. These are real people. Not only are they real people, they are candle chart traders themselves. So if you have questions about our programming services, they will be more than happy to assist. For the purpose of this live session, I've asked any chat agents to turn off their access so that way they can focus on our session. After the session is done, our chat agents will be available again. So when you do a chat, note that they are real people. They're very willing to help you. Frankly, they get bored when people forgot their password. They can certainly help with that if needed, but they are more happy to help people understand our programming services and how they can help you become more and more profitable in the markets. Okay. So if you ever need help, chat is quick. You can also email info@candlecharts.com. Now that we're logged in and we understand the login process, and again, if you have a question, type it in. I'll be happy to answer that for you. You're going to see a couple things on the toolbar here and here. Okay, here's our main phone number. Here's that email address for any questions that'll come into our team. And the first person to see the email will certainly get back to you ASAP. Up here in the top, in the blue toolbar up top here, where my red highlight is right now, you'll see my account, log out, and then my cart. And I'll show you the cart in a little bit later. But if you click on my account, that will take you to the programs that you already own, meaning your account, okay? People get confused by that. But if you have bought programs from us before, they will be in my account. Okay, you'll only be able to access your account if you are logged in. So you'll have to log in, then you'll be able to get into my account. In the white toolbar, you have home if you ever need to come back here to the home page. Programming services. If you click on that, that will take you to the menu of all of the programming services that we have to offer where you can purchase them. If you do purchase them from programming services, they would then be added into my account. Live charts, we have a charting widget right here on the site, and I'll show you that. Note, our agents, our traders, do not use that charting widget, okay? That is just a free charting widget if you want to take a look at a chart and see what's going on. Our agents, our students, our traders, our institutional clients, our hedge fund managers, they all use Nissen candle scanning software. So our team does not actually look at live charts. It is there in case you want to take a look, and I'll show you that. Our event section will tell you upcoming events as well as past events. So for example, we are recording the session I'm talking in right now. That session will be posted into the past event section. I'll show you that. And then if you click on about, that'll just show you a little bit more information about our team, a biography on Steve Nissen himself, and everything like that. As far as events go, we will always have our next event listed here, right under where it says Welcome Paul. We'll have our next event. So you'll see here that we actually have a Getting to Know Our Website promo. It goes from January 12th. It started yesterday, January 12th. It goes until January 15th at 11:59 p.m. There is the link. It expires there. And then I'm going to just turn off my spotlight. To get more information, you can click Read More, and that will take you to be able to click on the link and to continue that way. I don't see any questions, so I'm going to keep going. Again, if you have a question, please let me know. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on my account. Notice now that I don't have that red spotlight, if I hover my mouse over my account, it will say right there, Courses I Own. Just in case you get confused between that and programming services, if you hover your mouse there, learn about more courses. So if you ever get confused between my account and programming services, you just hover your mouse over it and it'll tell you what that is. Or simply click on my account. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to click on my account, and this is going to take me to my account page. From here, I can see my courses, my certificates. I can edit my account, meaning my name, my email, things like that. Order history. This will be only on products that I ordered through this new website. It will not show me products that I ordered from the past website. Payment methods, if I'm on a subscription, I'll be able to change my credit card or anything like that. If I want to see a little bit more information about candlestick patterns, I can click there. But what I want to do now, I'm going to click on My Courses. Okay, so this is going to show you all the courses that I have access to because I have purchased those. Okay. So right up top, if you're a member of My Candle Charts previously, you'll now be able to see it as Market Central. So you'll be able to click right there and it'll take you to that page. And I'll come back to that and I'll actually show that to you. But I wanted to scroll down and just show you all the different courses that I have access to. Doesn't mean you have access to all of these. These are things that you would have purchased. But all of these different programs tell you the name of it, who the instructor was, the date that I was enrolled, and continue on and on and on. And we have little images. If you own Nissen Candle Scanner, you'll see that. If you own Frontline Forex, you'll see a red box. If you have an option series, it'll see the blue box. Mega package was in green, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is all of my account. These are programs that I have already purchased. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Market Central just to show you what it looks like on the inside. Inside of Market Central, we have broken it up into different categories. We have a welcome section for people that are brand new. We have a welcome video showing you how to use Market Central, access links, a calendar, our chart of the day videos, trade setup of the day videos, daily market recaps, strategy sessions, options outlook, crypto, casual traders, excuse me, chart challenges, weekly recaps, international, mentorship sessions, which is becoming extremely popular, and bonus section. Okay, so I would just click on any one of those, take me to that video. Obviously, as we do new sessions, these dates would change to the most recent date up top in each specific category. So that is the Market Central program. I'm going to go back to the home page just to show you that I can just bounce back here, and here I am again at the home page. So next thing I want to do is show you programming services. This is again the menu of all the programs and services that you can actually purchase. Notice what we've done. We categorize them into step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Step 1 is education, because we believe strongly if you do not have candle education, 2, 3, and 4 will be meaningless. So step 1 education, we've broken into 3 different groupings. One is our beginner quick start program. If you just want to take the beginning steps, quick start program, great way to go. If you want to go a little bit further, you go with our intermediate candlestick training. There's also our express class bundle, including the express and the advanced express. And then we have our advanced training. I'm going to click on this just to show you. We actually broke our advanced training into 3 different programs. We have our mega package, which is good for any market segment. This is a 4-volume series. We have our Frontline Forex, specifically for people that are trading currencies, including crypto. This is a 3-volume set. So if you know you're only trading Forex and crypto, Frontline Forex is a great way to go. Or if you trade crypto, stock, ETF, multiple things, mega package would be more comprehensive and include the concepts from Forex. But if you're only a Forex trader or a crypto, this 3-volume set would be the way to go. And then if you're an option trader, again, a 3-volume set for candles and options. I'm going to go back to programming services. By the way, if you click on any one of those, it'll take you to an information page, show you all the details, what's included, how much it costs, and if you would like to purchase it, you add it to your cart, you make the payment, and then it would go from programming services and add it into your account. Next, after education, we have our tools. We have Nissan Candle Scanner software. I'm going to show you this. I'm just going to click on this because we have Nissan Candle Scanner in 4 different platforms. When you buy Nissan Candle Scanner, you have to choose which platform you want it on. We have it on NinjaTrader, TradingView, TradeStation, and Trade Navigator. We recently added it on TradingView in the fall of last year. It's become extremely popular. But again, if you click on any one of these buttons, it'll take you to the information page where we offer this in monthly, annual, and lifetime subscriptions. And again, clicking on that will show you all of those different ideas. I'm going to go back to programming services to show you that you can also purchase Market Central. Again, we offer Market Central in monthly, annual, and lifetime plans. Please note, this is pretty cool. Market Central is our daily ongoing guidance site where we do, like I showed you before, daily recaps, chart of the day, trade setup of the day, strategy sessions, things that are updated on a regular basis. It is really designed as far as accountability and providing guidance and confidence for you in your trading. If you're not already a member, I strongly suggest that. We do recommend, excuse me, at least an intermediate education before using any of these tools to get the most out of them. Now, if you go for the advanced training, you'll get even more, okay? But Market Central is really for people that want some hand-holding, they want some objective opinions, strategy sessions where our team will analyze markets of your request twice a week, every Monday and Thursday. There's so many other features. I strongly suggest you click on that. Now, Market Central also includes all of our special topics, and we have about 25 of those, including we'll be doing a brand new one next week. The only way to get that new special topic, which will be on the topic of trends, will be to be a member of Market Central of either an annual or a lifetime plan. So if you're an annual or a lifetime member, you would have access to all 25 special topics and growing. We're only adding more and more to that. And again, if you want to see the list of special topics, you click on Market Central. You'll see that whole list of everything that would be included with either your annual or lifetime plan. Live training recordings. This was our recordings literally of live trainings that we've done in the past. Things of like swing trading, intraday trading, active portfolio management, trade plan mastery, and a lot more. And then step 4, signature programs. We do have a one-on-one coaching program. We have our Kaizen apprenticeship, and we have small group coaching. We don't have small group coaching dates available yet, but I am going to show you a new program that we have available for you that's not even listed here yet. We just literally got everything ready to go late last night into this morning, and we have not updated this page with that, but I can give you early access to that link if you'd like. One-on-one coaching, what that would do is show you a little bit more. You fill out a quick form, and then we actually have a consultation to talk to you if coaching is right for you. Note, we do not do coaching for absolute beginners. We don't want to waste your time or our coach's time teaching you the basics that you can learn from one of our home study courses. So we want you, again, to at least have the intermediate training prior to doing any one-on-one coaching. Okay, so that's programming services. Let me show you live charts quickly here. Again, this is just a tool that we added to our website to make it easy for people to take a chart. So what happens is we automatically default to a daily chart of Apple. That's just the default. We have some popular symbols. A lot of people like looking at Bitcoin. So if I go to Bitcoin, it will pull up the Bitcoin chart here just in a second. You change time frame. You can change different things. Here's just a daily chart of Bitcoin, but I can change it to different time frames. Now, if you do not want to look at one of these symbols, we have people that think these are the only ones. Absolutely not. You just come in here, click on that box, type in whatever symbol that you want to take a look at. Okay, so you're not limited just to the popular symbols. You could type in anything that you want right here. Okay, don't want to take the time looking at that for now. Next, live charts. Let me show you events. So by clicking on events, I'm going to be brought up to our upcoming event. Okay, and notice again, here is our upcoming event, which is current. And might as well, while I'm looking at this, just show you, while you're in the programming services, you can make a purchase of $100 or more, and we'll give you a code to save $25 by using code SAVE25 at checkout. If you're purchasing $500 or more, you can use code SAVE100 to save $100. And if you're purchasing $1,000 or more, you can utilize coupon code SAVE250 to save $250. Okay. Let me just show you how that works real simple. So I'm going to go to my cart. Before I was showing somebody how to add items into their cart, I still have them in my cart. I have 2 items in my cart right now. I have Nissen Candle Scanner for TradingView Lifetime, which is a cost of $12.95. I have our brand new Jumpstart program, which I will show you here in a second, for $79. Because I'm over the $1,000 plateau, I come into the coupon code, I enter the code SAVE250, I click the word apply coupon. Notice the $13.74 will magically be lowered by $250 after it processes here, and there it is. My new total is $11.24. I would then proceed to checkout, where I could pay with debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Also notice what you can do when you add certain products. We'll also show you a couple of other items that you may be interested in adding to, where you can add Market Central. We believe that Market Central is a nice addition to pretty much any program. So here we are. I'm at the cart. Notice right here in red, it shows me I am already enrolled in those programs. So it's just kind of giving me a heads up. If I already own that, it's going to tell me. It'll still let you purchase them, but it's giving you a little extra heads up. You already own these, no reason to purchase it again. Okay? Now, if you don't own those, that little red exclamation mark would not be there, and this wouldn't be there. It'll tell you that my coupon code was applied successfully. As you can also see here, if I don't want to use that coupon code, I just click remove, and it will go back to our regular price. Let me talk to you about Jumpstart. I just got somebody asking you about that. Jumpstart is a brand new program. We've never done this before. The link is right here, specials.candlecharks.com/jumpstart. This is a 2-session program taught by Ryan, one of our NISSING certified trainers. The 2 sessions will be held live. We will be recording those. This is designed for people, as you can see up here in the top I'm highlighting, if you're brand new to trading or you're looking to reboot your trading, meaning a lot of people that trade are not doing nearly as well as they should or want to. This is going to help you jumpstart that trading plan. This is great for people that have never made a real trade before, where they are stuck in paper trading or demo trading mode, and you just need that help to get the confidence to go actually trade for real. Okay? The Jumpstart program is designed to do that. It is based on feedback that we've gotten from students from all over the world, whether they are trading or not. We did a quick beta test on this. We took 10 people that had never made a trade before. In a separate beta test, we took 10 people who had been trading before but did not get the results that they want. So we had a total of 20 people. Out of those 20 people, I believe 16 of them are currently trading, making profits. One of them got sick. One of them had an issue with a child, so they couldn't spend time. One of them was in the process of moving. They didn't tell us that beforehand. So of the people that actually had the capability of taking the time to do a 2-session program and follow up with us, a large percentage of these people are now actively trading. What you're going to get with this is 2 live sessions. You'll have access to the recordings. We actually have a survey to do after session 1, before session 2 to help get you on the path. After session 2, you're going to be able to sign up for a 15-minute consultation with me, where I will make sure that you're on the right path and I can answer any questions for you. Note, I do this all the time for our hedge fund managers, people who are responsible for trading hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, I've been doing this long enough. I've been working for Steve for a long time. I understand candles very well. I'm a trader myself, but I also do these consultations with our institutional money managers, all the way to people who have never made a real trade before, to people that made their first trade buying 1 share of 1 stock. Okay, and if that's the first step, that's the first step we're going to help you achieve, and then we'll go from there. So that is our Jumpstart program. I'm going to come back to candlecharks.com. This is our cart. I showed you a lot of information so far. I want to show you one more thing, and then I'll open it up for any questions. In the About section, if I hover my mouse over About, I go to Candle Traders Gallery. This is what I call in our office our wall of fame. Okay, these are testimonials from actual people, actual traders and students that have used some of our products, all of our products, different products, depending on what they are all about. You can scroll through these. You see we have a lot of different docs. You can just scroll through a lot of different ones. I'll show you some of these here. What I want more than anything is for you to fill out your own testimonial. So right underneath these testimonials, you can go add your own review. You put your first name, your last initial, any text that you would like us to know. You can upload a photo. You can put the photo right in there. We'll also give you the opportunity to upload a MP4 video or a YouTube or Vimeo link to a video you talking. Some people have no problem putting their pictures up. Some people don't put a picture up of themselves. That's up to you. But these are success stories. We actually edit out when people put in percentage gains or how much money they made, because we really don't want that out there to the safety of these people. We had somebody tell us that they made $1.5 million on a few trades. We don't want to post that because we don't want people tracking them down. So we will edit these to remove numbers just because. But I, more than anything, want to see you take our programming services, apply them, be profitable, and then come in here and tell us your success story. So I'm really looking forward to doing all of that. So again, this going back to the home page, I now showed you how to log in, how to log out, my account to show you the programs that you already own, programming services for programs that you'd like to purchase, the live chart widget, our event section with a recording of this will be posted here shortly after I'm done. The about, where if you want to learn a little bit more about our team and to see that Candle Traders gallery, you can see all of that there. Our phone number, our main email address, and the ability to chat with our chat agents. Let me show you now, again, our promo. And I'm going to speak biased here, obviously. Steve Nissing's been teaching, educating, helping students, traders, institutional money managers, and things of that nature for decades. I see their results. I see how well they're doing. I see how confident they are in what they do. We provide incredible programming services. I don't know how many other companies have chat agents who actually are in the same spot or seat that you are currently in because they are traders themselves. We're giving you an incredible offer. Note, it is limited time to take advantage of this. We're doing it because we just rolled out our new website. We know a lot of people are still getting used to our new website, but we want you to be able to save money and put it towards programming services and then start your trading career or continue your trading career depending on where you happen to be. On this page, by the way, if you scroll down just a little bit, you can click this big blue button that will take you directly to that programming services section of our page. We have a form that you can fill out. If you're not sure what is the right next step for you, you can put in your name, your email, and answer these quick questions. Hit submit. That will come to our team. They'll be happy to answer any questions and provide some recommendations for you as to what should be your next training program. Gladys has a comment. Your chat agents are very good and have answered numerous questions for me. Oh, that's great, Gladys. Good to hear. And Gladys, great to have you here as well. Make sure that all the stuff is going on the website that is going to help you. But I will tell you, our chat agents take very much pride in helping our students. You know, every once in a while, our chat agents will tell me somebody comes in and says, "Hey, is Bitcoin going up or down?" You know, or what do you think the market's going to be at the end of the year? And our chat agents actually laugh just a little bit. Is Bitcoin going up or down? And the answer is always yes. It is going to go up. It is going to go down. It's the people with candle education that can look at the chart and understand it is about to go up or it is about to go down. I'm going to take advantage of this uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend, whatever it happens to be. So our chat agents are certainly there to assist you. Okay, so when somebody does a chat, I get a report from each chat agent at the end of each week telling me about their checks, who they helped, how they helped, some of the crazy questions that they receive. People still think that they're robots and things like that. They are actual, real people. Yep, Gladys is saying you can see why they'd laugh. They absolutely laugh, and they'll tell me, hey, we had somebody asking, again, we get the Bitcoin question often. And I can tell you this, if somebody's looking at Bitcoin on our live chart widget, I'm thinking to myself, well, maybe they're not trading yet, right? Like, because if they were trading, wouldn't they be looking at a chart of Bitcoin on their brokerage account where they can trade Bitcoin? Or they would be looking at Nissing Candle Scanner, looking at it a little bit more in depth. So, we're here to help people take that next step, whatever that next step happens to be. We had somebody that never made a trade before. and our chat agents were able to assist. We had somebody that was making a $500,000 trade. We had somebody in India that had questions about, hey, can our software work on the Nifty? Absolutely, it does. The great thing about that TradingView platform now, it works around the world, which is exactly where our students are around the world. We have students in 85 different countries. So this is the link. And again, just going back to our homepage, if you come to our next event, click read more, you'll be able to click on that page. We'll have the recording of this session posted here shortly, but I do hope I answered any questions that you might have had. I will stick around here for a couple minutes if you have questions, if you're in the room right now. And again, if you're not in the room, you're watching this via recording, you have a question, you can always email me, paul@candlecharts.com. Somebody asked, yeah, so here is the promo code. This is a combined purchase, so it doesn't have to be one item at $1,000, for example. You could buy a few different items that come to a total of 1,000 or more, and you can click, type in save 250, and you can come back in. Once midnight happens on Monday night, midnight Eastern time, so going into Tuesday, these coupon codes will be invalid. This page will be gone, and that chance to save that money on the great programming services, these coupon codes will go away. Okay. The Jumpstart program, unless you're doing really well, this Jumpstart program is designed to take anybody to the next step. We showed this, to people after that beta test, and we had somebody that was making a couple $100,000 last year in trading profits sign up for this program already because they want to improve. And just for $79, if you really think about it, if it helps you make one better trade, helps you avoid one bad trade, helps you get that next step going. I mean, the early bird price of just $79 to get 2 live sessions, 2 recordings, and then a consultation with me. And I'm not patting myself on the back, oh my God, a 15-minute consultation with Paul. Again, I've done this with people. I know what works. I know what helps people. So with that, I don't see any other questions. I want to thank you for your time. I hope you take full advantage of this Getting to Know Our Website promo. I hope you take full advantage of all of our programming services and everything that our team of experts has to help you with. I'm glad it's saying you just signed up for the Jumpstart. Very good. Yeah. Excellent, Gladys. I'm glad you signed up for that program, and just talking to you enough in the past, I think this program is really going to help you out. And the instructor of Jumpstart, Ryan, he's the newest member of our team as a NISSING certified trainer. He came on board with us last year, but like I said earlier, he started out as a student who bought our mega package, the advanced training. Then he bought Candle Scanner. Then he bought, at that time, it was called My Candle Charts, which is now called Market Central. So we have something to help everybody. And all we did by, merging our 3 websites into one, we made it as simple as possible for everyone to have one location, to have access to all of their programs and be able to be as profitable as possible. And what I found, one last thing, people that keep things simple in their trading plan are the ones that typically get really great at simple and are the ones that typically have the best results. Mark Andre, are you going to show some examples of your software? I can go back into programming services and just show you real quick again. And then I'll actually bring it up. Again, I showed you NISSING Candles. We have 2 different softwares. You got it, Gladys. Absolutely happy to help. Gladys is saying simple is what I'm trying to learn. I love that, and that's what I focused my trading on as well. So Mark Andre, we have NISSING Candle Scanner, which is our full version, NISSING Candle Highlighter, which is our lower version. What I actually will do right now, and I'm glad you brought it up, Mark, this is NISSING Candle Scanner on TradingView. Okay, this is the TradingView. I had 8 different charts up. I can change this to 1 chart at a time, 2, 4, 8, whatever I'm looking for. And notice what you see here. These are symbols the DC up here. I don't know if you see my mouse as well. Actually, what I'll do just to make it simple, I'm going to pull up a single chart, make it a little bit easier. So I was looking at this chart of AMD, which, by the way, I traded about 3 times in the last week. There's an alert that I just got on different candles that happen on different patterns. Okay, and because I changed charts, the live markets aren't actually on right now. It's just going to take a couple seconds to add on. I keep my charts nice and simple. I have Bollinger Bands. I have my candle pattern. What I have here is the candle patterns identified in their full name. So right here is a dark cloud cover. This is a bullish engulfing pattern example. You can change the full name to the abbreviations. You can set up scans if you want to find, and I will be doing a bouncing ball session for people who own this. Bouncing ball is a simple strategy I've been doing for well over a decade now. That's worked so beautifully well. And I'll show you how to set up alerts off of this and how you can be alerted. And the great thing about TradingView is you can set up everything on your computer and then add the TradingView account to your phone or a tablet or whatever and get alerted on your phone, which is exactly what happened when we first rolled this out. I beta tested it in August of last year. We rolled it out in September. Set all of this up. I went back down to campus to bring my son back to school. I'm walking through campus on a Friday afternoon. Boom, I get an alert on my phone. I sat down on a bench, off my phone, made a trade. Never would have made that profitable trade if I didn't get the alert on my phone, if we didn't have TradingView with the candle scanner on it. So I can tell you, I've become a huge fan of this. Gladys, there's a lot of resources available. Just send me an email to remind me, and I can get you. Gladys was asking, does TradingView put out education on how to use the TradingView platform? And they do. They have a bunch of stuff, and I can just show you that later. But realize I can look at any chart, any time frame around the globe. If I want to look at Bitcoin, Forex, commodities, futures, whatever, the data is included with TradingView. You don't have to worry about finding a data feed. This is in the cloud, so there's nothing to download. You're not installing anything. You're just opening up a TradingView account. They have a free version, which this will certainly work on the free version. They have paid versions of TradingView if you want extra features. Either way, Nissan Candle Scanner will work on either the paid or the free versions. But it really, this is the highlight where it'll show you candle patterns on any time frame. But my favorite part is the scanning and the alerting, where I can look at the chart and I know that that's a bullish engulfing, for example, and I know that that's a falling window. But sometimes it'll be a falling window of just a penny or two that I wouldn't be able to see, but the software will find it for me. Okay. Notice here, for example, was a rising window. I probably would have seen that if I looked closely enough. Okay. But there are just times when it will find things for you that you're like, oh my gosh, if I had only seen that, right? Have you ever said that if I had only seen that back then? That's what Nissan Candle Scanner is designed to do. So Mark, that was just a very brief, quick snapshot of Candle Scanner on TradingView. But if you are more interested in learning more, you can go to candlecharts.com, go into Program Services, click Nissan Candle Scanner, click on TradingView, and it'll show you much more information about that program. And then you can take full advantage of the promo, and the coupon codes will work on, like I said, we offer that monthly, annual, and lifetime. And depending on which subscription you go with, you can utilize one of these codes depending on what level of purchase you're making. Hope that helps, Mark. Yep, you're welcome. Obviously, you can tell I could talk about trading and charting all day long. We will be doing a lot more information specifically for owners of Candle Scanner on TradingView. just because we will be doing a best practice session coming up for anyone who owns it. We'll be doing a lot more sessions to help our students achieve the next steps. So with that, I will call it a session. I want to thank you for your time and dedication. And again, take full advantage of that promo. We look forward to working with you. Our team of experts are here to assist you along the path. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.